With the new repotting season coming up, changes in my orchid collection, and at least one more orchid unboxing coming up, I needed some extra new bonsai and orchid pots. So let's unpack and see what goodies I ordered. I must say, everything I ordered has a specific reason, as you will see in upcoming videos. Some cleaning and sharpening tools to keep my scissors in good health, and more packing materials to be removed. So let's do this quickly and carefully. So I've gotten a double-sided grinding stone to keep my scissors sharp, a spray bottle of ballistol oil to protect my tools from rusting and to preserve the blades. I also got a screw clamp that is used to bend or shape thicker branches or trunks on bonsai trees. As for the pots, this is a Chinese purplish pink glazed pot, of which I got two. I underestimated the size, but they will come in handy in the future. This is a handmade pot by Frank Müller in Germany. It's approximately 14 centimeters wide, or almost 6 inches, and as I said before, you will see me using all the pots in upcoming videos. Another dark blue glazed handmade pot from Czechia, approximately 15 centimeters wide, or 6 inches, and it's a lotus shape with nice detailed feet. These are 3 round Japanese pots with a diameter of 9 centimeters or almost 4 inches in the colors ochre yellow, a creamy white and dark blue. And another round pot, dark blue and handmade in Czechia. This one is a bit smaller as the previous and is only 7.5 centimeters or 3 inches wide. And lastly, 3 handmade pots from Czechia, approximately 9 centimeters wide or almost 4 inches. Colors are bright yellow, blue-green and a grayish purple. And then there's the ficus microcarpa tiger bark, approximately 31 centimeters high or 1 foot, and it's a replacement tree for one I've lost last winter. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates on my orchids and bonsai in the near future.